If una hear say my husband say e no dey marry me again, make una just know say na because I wan finish im money for inside pot of food na e cause am. Hello my people, welcome back to another video. Are you that type of person wey go say I no like beans, I no dey eat beans? Make I tell you, you never see who cook beans for you. Now you say you no like beans. Sit down, make I show you how to cook beans wey be say dey give vitamin. Beans wey be say go put you for sleep like baby. Oh my God, if you test these beans, just dey wash, follow the process, you will love the ending. You will love the results. As you can see, I added palm oil to my pot, my pepper and onions and crayfish blend. I just started to fry it. As you can see, this is my mixed spices that I did. The link is here. You can go and watch it. It has combination of ginger, garlic, onions, celery leaf. You know, you will love this very spices I had together. Watch it. Here is the link. Go and watch. So I added salt. I'm going to add sneezing powder, as you can see. So after that, I'm going to cover it and allow it to cool for a few minutes. What you see me adding now is momo. I dice it very tiny. You see the reason why I tell you, see, this one is not just beans. Oh my God, this one it go to Harvard and come back. So here I added carrot. After cooking for a few minutes, I added carrot. So I'm going to stir it and still allow it just for a few minutes more. Here I was frying my dodo. Look at that. Oh my God. So right now the stew is properly cooked. I'm adding my boiled mackerel fish, as you can see. So I'm going to stir it and I will allow it for more few minutes. Then I'll be right back to add our mixed bell pepper. As you can see, mixed bell pepper. So I added it. This I think I left it for just a minute. Yes. So the next thing right now is to mix everything with our already cooked beans. I love my beans when it go cook. If you put them for mouth, it go dey melt. I know they use force, they chew beans. Not be me they eat that one. You see right now, I don't turn my stew inside my beans. So it's time to mix everything together. You know how we do it. Oh my God, it's already looking yummy, tantalizing, you know. Guys, if I tell you, if you eat these beans, your life will not remain the same. If you are still watching, my people, and you are new, you have not subscribed, please consider to subscribe, turn on the notification bell. God bless you, all my returning subscriber. Please let me know where you are watching from so that we can send you some hug in our next video. I love you guys for your love and support. God bless you. This is the final stage where I was serving it with my dodo. Guys, you see the way this food look. Oh my God, if you eat them, life good, I beg.